Hi everyone and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Angie and I usually do unboxing videos and vlogs. But today, of course, we're doing another unboxing, and today's unboxing will be on shoes that I ordered from Bird Off Goodman and satire.com. This video, as all my other videos so far, they're not sponsored. And the brands that I ordered were Amina Muaddi and Saint Laurent. Guys, I'm going to be unboxing these 4 boxes. 3 are from Satire and 1 is from Bird Offs. And yes, I am currently on the floor. So I'm just gonna unbox them and take them out their shipping boxes. And then obviously I will show you what I purchased. This is another Amina Muaddi purchase. Let's continue this box. And again, more Saint Laurent shoes. Look how big it is. And the reason why I am unboxing from the shipping boxes is because I need to throw these boxes out and I don't want to have garbage in my house. This box, this is a skirt. From Zimmerman. And I'll show you exactly how it looks, like I said, later on in the video. Let's really see what's in these boxes. So this specific heel I purchased, one, because it's low. As I mentioned in my previous videos, I've been preferring low heels instead of my regular 4 to 6 inches. And this doesn't really say how many inches tall it is, but whatever, you guys will see once I try them on. I will be doing a try on after I show you everything that I purchased. So these specific Amina Muaddis I purchased to go with one of the lehengas that I will be wearing for my sister-in-law's wedding. If you want to see what lehengas I will be wearing, please refer back to one of my previous videos. And as always, dust bag, tissue paper with MA. If you know me personally, you know I love anything that sparkles and shines, and these were like the perfect heels I could find, like I said, that weren't so tall and comfortable, and they're just, again, stunning. Look at this. Anything that glitters, feather, lace. I'm just like a girly girl and I love this. For these specific heels I sized up, I have been buying mules from Amina Muaddi, and I bought black ones previously. That's also in one of my other videos. I did an unboxing on those. And I bought them at 7.5 and they were just perfect. Like I felt I could have went a size up in the mules. And these I ordered a 38 and I feel like they fit more than perfect. Like the other ones were perfect, as in my foot was just right there. If my foot grows, I will have to sell them because there is no room for growth with the black ones. And the problem with Amina Muaddi is that her heels are tricky. Like I have all her sling bags, and the sling bags I order in a size 7. I'm usually a 37.5 or 7.5. And I had to order slim bags because they have that room and they're PVC and the plastic expands in a 7. As opposed to these, which I have to order in a size 8 or 38. I suggest when buying her heels, try to find a store that carries them and go try them on and walk around with them. So these I will actually be wearing for the Hindi ceremony. Maybe I'll wear them more than once. I don't know yet. I haven't decided if I want to splurge on more heels, which I shouldn't. I have so many. But look how stunning they are. And now let's move on to Saint Laurent. So these specific ones, I love these shoes. I have them in other colors. And what are they called actually? New Belfort Pearl? Is that the color? Oh, sorry. The Bianca 75 mule sandal. Again, these are mules. They're not that tall. And I've been specifically buying mules for the summer and spring because I don't want to be walking around in heels. It doesn't matter that I'm always in a car or that I drive. It's just when I am walking, I don't want to be uncomfortable. And lately, heels have been super uncomfortable for me, at least thin heels. And I decided to get the white color in these. These actually came inside the dust bag. And they're these plain ones. Like I mentioned, the heel's not that tall, which I love. And I already have these in another color or in other colors. And I also purchased these in a 38. The previous ones that I have are a 38. Like I said, mules, you should size up. Doesn't matter what brand it is. I prefer to size up. I don't want my foot to be just right there and be perfect. I want a little bit of room to breathe. And these are perfect for vacation, perfect to throw on jeans. They're just perfect for anything, and they're so comfortable. To wear with jeans. I said throw on jeans. And both Saint Laurent shoes I purchased from satire.com. They always like every other week have a sale. I think I did get these on sale. I don't remember, but the other shoes I did not. The other Saint Laurent heels. And we have this beautiful big box. I honestly do not know why these shoes came in such a big box, but they did. And these I got my true size, which is 37.5. And I have already tried these shoes on, and they are just right there. They fit right there, and I do not like that. I am starting not to like that. So I am debating if I should send them back and go a size up, or since it's a slim back heel, if I should just keep them. Anyways, these are it. These they're stunning. Love the little embellishments on the buckle, and it's adjustable, so I'm gonna have to adjust it when I try them on right now. But I wanted heels to match my Kelly, and these were just chef's kiss. Yes. Even though I think this color is a little lighter than the Kelly. You know what? Let me get the bag. Okay, so this is the bag, and this is the heel. Oh, wait, it's perfect, honestly. How exciting. But this is what I wanted to style these shoes with. I just bought them for this specific bag, and I think honestly it's a great combo. But as I mentioned before, anything that has feathers, anything that has glitter, anything that has rhinestones, I am just obsessed. And these are just so cute. I love the heel. If you guys see the slope, I haven't walked with these heels yet. I just tried them on. I could tell they're gonna be uncomfortable. This arch right here, I call it a slope, it's very deep, and when heels are like this, I feel like they are extremely uncomfortable. But I'll keep you guys posted, and I'll let you guys know how they feel. And then This is them as a pair. They're so beautiful. And now to try them all on. Okay guys, so these are the Saint Laurents. These are the other Saint Laurents. As I mentioned, they have a little space in the front. And a little space in the back. Stunning Amina Muaddi heels. They're just so perfect. I also ordered a skirt from Satire, but I'm not gonna try it on in this video. Maybe I'll wear it for my other video and then you guys could see how it looks. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite, or if you don't have any favorites at all, if you thought everything I bought was just trash. Which to me it's not, but whatever. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next unboxing. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.